Midway Space Invaders, hopefully in 5 minutes or less. First off, a little bit of gameplay. I did not record this because I'm trying to just get through some repairs, but I will do a quick little, this is what I did type thing. Little gameplay sounds. I love regular Space Invaders sounds better than deluxe. They're not the same. All right. I'm going to turn it off, and then I will come back. All right, this set was a mess. I replaced these 4 sockets. I cleaned the legs on these chips as good as I could. I replaced this socket. Missing cap I replaced here. The 3245 little clock chip generator was missing, so I had to put one of those in there. It had a bad 74, it had a bad 161, and I replaced these caps, and that was it for this board. And I cleaned off, this thing had mounds of solder on here, and I cleaned that all off. And same with down on this board right here. This edge was completely solder blobbed. I had to clean it. I had to actually clean it and then sand it. I had to sand it down to copper and then re-tin it because it was a disaster. This thing had 3 bad 151s right here. It had 2 161s that were no good. I had to clean up off these so that I could get good connection. This cap was shorted, killing the amp. So I replaced that cap. All of the sound amps were actually bad, so I had to replace all of the 3900s. I had to replace the sound generator section, which is a 4006 and a 4030. I had to replace this switch, this 4016, because I had no invader hit, and my saucer hit was funky, and it was that chip right there. I replaced all of the electrolytic caps, and this thing had missing capacitors. It had a missing capacitor right here, and a missing capacitor here, and a missing capacitor here, and these were actually signal caps. This one was broke. This one was missing. This is just a filter, a decoupling, but this one's actually a passive as well as this, so those sounds would have actually been missing. And this cap was broken. That's a passive too, I believe. So, all in all, that was everything. Had a lot wrong with it. This thing was kind of a mess. But as you can see, it works great now. And I like regular Space Invaders. I like it better than Deluxe. I like the sounds better and everything. It's just, this is an awesome game. So that is it for this one.